Hey everyone, AI, it's everywhere, right?
Yeah, it really feels like it's taking over the world.
And for investors, it can seem like you need a ton of money to get in on the action.
You would think so.
But what if I told you there were fascinating companies doing incredible AI work
Mm.
that are currently trading for under $10 a share?
No, that's interesting.
You don't have to break the bank to be a part of the AI revolution.
Not at all.
That's what we're diving deep into today.
Sounds good.
Some of these kind of hidden gem AI stocks that are poised for some serious growth.
And the really cool thing is we're not just talking about one little niche in AI here.
Right.
We're looking at companies that are tackling everything from smart cities to revolutionizing home entertainment with spatial audio. It's a
Exactly.
great illustration of just how diverse the AI landscape is
Yeah.
and the potential it holds.
So let's jump right in.
Okay.
First up, we've got Rekor Systems.
Ticker symbol REKR.
They're all about using AI to make our cities smarter and, importantly, safer.
Think about this. Rekor's AI platform, Rekor One,
Uh-huh.
actually helped authorities identify a vehicle that was involved in a hit-and-run incident.
Wow.
They were able to analyze footage from traffic cameras and pinpoint the exact car,
Really?
leading to an arrest.
That's AI making a real difference.
It really is.
That's incredible.
And they're constantly innovating.
Okay.
They just launched a new tool called Rekor Discover,
Hmm.
which gives cities even more detailed insights into traffic patterns
Yeah.
and potential problems.
So if you're an investor and looking for a company that's on the forefront of the smart city revolution,
Rekor Systems is definitely one to watch.
for sure.
Absolutely.
Okay, and speaking of cutting-edge technology, let's move on to SoundHound AI.
Ticker symbol SOUN.
They're tackling voice AI and speech recognition,
Yes.
and doing it so well that they're becoming a serious contender to some of the big tech giants out there.
Absolutely.
I'm really curious about this one.
Sure.
What makes SoundHound stand out in such a competitive field?
It's their Houndify platform. Unlike some other voice assistants that rely on rigid command structures,
Uh-huh.
Houndify is all about natural language understanding.
I see.
It can handle complex, multi-part questions and requests,
Oh.
just like you'd talk to a real person.
Yeah.
Imagine asking your device, find me a Thai restaurant that's open past 10 p.m., has good reviews, and is within walking distance, and actually getting a helpful response.
That is impressive.
That's what they're doing.
They're really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with voice AI.
Absolutely.
And they're not just surviving, they're thriving.
They are. They recently managed to pay off $100 million in debt.
Wow.
And even acquired Amelia, another big player in the conversational AI space.
That's incredible.
And get this, analysts are projecting their revenue to jump to $80 million in 2024,
Wow.
and then skyrocket to $150 million in 2025.
Really?
Yeah, they've even earned a strong buy rating from analysts.
That's fantastic.
This kind of performance and potential makes SoundHound AI a very intriguing option for investors looking to tap into the voice AI boom.
For sure. Now, for all the audiophiles out there, our next company is right up your alley.
Okay?
We're talking about WiSA Technologies, ticker symbol WiSA.
All right.
They're revolutionizing home entertainment with their spatial audio and wireless sound technology.
Cool.
Imagine a movie night where the sound is so immersive.
Oh,
It
yeah.
feels like you're right there in the action.
For sure.
That's what WiSA is making possible.
That's so cool.
What's interesting here is that WiSA isn't just developing its own products.
Right.
They're actually setting industry standards for high-fidelity wireless audio
Mm-hmm.
through their role in the WiSA Association.
Oh, I see.
This means they're not just competing in the market, they're shaping it.
Yeah, exactly.
And that kind of leadership position can be a major advantage for investors.
For sure.
Plus, they've got some serious momentum going.
What have they done?
They've secured multiple licensing agreements,
Up.
successfully completed a $10 million public offering,
Oh, wow.
and even regained compliance on the NASDAQ.
Because they're hitting all the right notes.
Yeah, they really are. Okay, let's shift gears now to a company that's all about safety in the increasingly popular world of drones.
Okay.
We're talking about ParaZero Technologies, ticker symbol PRZO.
All right.
So as drones become more prevalent, safety concerns are naturally growing as well.
Yeah.
That's where ParaZero steps in.
Gotcha.
They've developed SafeAir, an autonomous parachute system for drones that kicks in if there's a malfunction or a loss of control.
So it's like an airbag for your drone?
Exactly, ensuring it doesn't come crashing down in a dangerous way.
Right.
And it's not just a cool concept.
No.
They're already integrating their technology with leading drone manufacturers like Dragonfly,
Uh-huh.
whose Commander 3XL drones will now feature ParaZero's safety systems.
Oh, very cool.
And they just announced a major partnership with a drone manufacturer based in the UAE.
Wow.
a region that's heavily investing in drone technology. So it seems like they're well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for drone safety solutions.
They are for sure. And speaking of capitalizing on growth, our next company, FiscalNote Holdings, is doing just that in the world of policy and market intelligence.
Interesting. Their ticker symbol is NOTE.
That's right.
Now, this one sounds really intriguing. How are they using AI to navigate those complex landscapes?
Well, FiscalNote has developed an AI-powered reasoning engine
Okay.
called FiscalNote GPT.
Uh-huh.
It's capable of analyzing vast amounts of data on policy changes, regulations, and market trends,
Wow.
providing their clients with incredibly valuable insights and predictions.
So it's like having a crystal ball for anyone who needs to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing worlds of policy and business.
You could say that.
And their client list includes Fortune 100 companies and even government agencies,
It does.
which speaks volumes about the trust they've earned in this field.
Absolutely.
And they're making some savvy financial moves, too.
Yeah, like what?
They recently sold off Board.org for $103 million, giving them a significant financial boost to further invest in their AI capabilities.
That's a really smart strategy by focusing on their core strengths in AI-powered intelligence. They're
Right.
positioning themselves as a leader in a sector that's only going to become more crucial in the years to come.
Yeah, definitely a company to keep an eye on.
Absolutely. You know, it's fascinating to see how these companies are applying AI to such a wide range of industries. It
Yeah.
really underscores the transformative potential of this technology.
And, we've talked about some impressive companies.
We have.
The common thread here is that they're all trading under $10 a share.
Yeah.
That's pretty remarkable considering the level of innovation they're bringing to the table.
It really is. And that's why I think these AI stocks under $10 represent a unique opportunity for investors. You can get in on the ground floor of a technological revolution without needing a huge amount of capital.
Yeah.
It's a chance to be a part of something big early on.
I love that perspective.
Yeah.
It's not just about making money.
Right.
It's about being a part of a movement that's shaping the future.
Exactly. And as we've seen, these companies aren't just small players with big dreams.
No.
They're generating real revenue, securing major partnerships,
Yeah.
and making strategic acquisitions.
Right, like SoundHound paying off that huge debt and acquiring Amelia or ParaZero, integrating their technology with those Commander 3XL drones.
Precisely.
Yeah.
These are concrete signs of growth and progress,
Uh-huh.
and they should be encouraging for potential investors.
But of course, no investment comes without risk,
That's true.
especially when we're talking about smaller companies in a rapidly evolving field like AI.
Absolutely true. And that's why it's crucial to do your research before investing in any of these companies.
Yeah.
Look beyond the hype and try to understand the fundamentals of their business.
So what are some key things investors should be looking at?
We'll start with their financials.
Okay.
Are they generating revenue?
Mm-hmm.
Are they profitable, or at least on a path to profitability? What's their debt situation like? These are all crucial indicators of a company's financial health.
And what about their market position?
That's another important factor.
Okay.
Are they operating in a niche market with limited competition, or are they facing off against established giants?
Yeah.
What's their competitive advantage? What makes them stand out?
So understanding their technology and how it differentiates them is key.
Absolutely. And don't just focus on the present.
Right.
Look at their long-term growth strategy.
Okay.
Where do they see themselves in 5 or 10 years?
Mm.
Are they investing in research and development to stay ahead of the curve?
It's like trying to assess not just how fast they're running now, but their potential to keep up the pace in a very fast-paced race.
A great analogy. And remember, investing in individual stocks always carries a higher risk. So it's crucial to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak.
Right. That's always wise advice no matter what you're investing in.
Right.
So we've covered a lot of ground today, from smart cities to drone safety to the future of home entertainment.
We have.
What are your final thoughts on why listeners should consider exploring these AI stocks under $10?
I think it boils down to this.
Okay.
AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality that's rapidly changing the world.
Yeah.
And these companies offer a relatively accessible way to be a part of that transformation.
It's like investing in the early days of the internet or personal computing.
Exactly.
It's a chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly revolutionary.
And while there are inherent risks, as with any investment, the
Mhm.
potential rewards for those who do their homework and choose wisely could be significant.
It's all about informed decision-making.
Yes.
Understanding the companies, the technology, and the risks involved.
Yeah.
It sounds like we're talking about more than just stocks here. We're talking about investing in the future.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. And what's so exciting about AI is that it's not just one industry or one application. It's a technology that has the potential to touch every aspect of our lives.
Exactly. We've seen how it can make our cities safer, our homes more entertaining, our businesses more efficient, and even our drones less likely to crash.
And that's just the beginning.
Right.
As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more incredible innovations and applications in the years to come.
It really is mind-boggling to think about all the possibilities. So as we wrap up this deep dive into AI stocks under $10,
Okay.
I want to leave our listeners with a thought-provoking question.
I like that. What is the question?
Of all the companies and AI applications we've discussed today, which one resonates with you the most personally and why?
That's a great question to consider which of these companies aligns with your interests,
Yeah.
your values, or your vision of the future. Is it the company working on a solution to a problem you care about? Or maybe it's the company that has the most potential to disrupt an industry you're passionate about?
Maybe it's a company whose technology just sparks your imagination and makes you excited about what the future holds.
It's exactly. Take some time to reflect on that. What aspect of AI's potential truly excites you? Because at the end of the day, investing is about more than just numbers.
Yeah.
It's about believing in something and wanting to be a part of its success.
Well said. And remember, this is just a starting point.
Right.
We've given you some food for thought, but it's up to you to do your own research and make informed decisions.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing.
So thank you for joining us on this fascinating deep dive into the world of AI stocks under $10. We hope you learned something new and maybe even discovered a company or two that you want to explore further.
Happy investing, everyone. And remember, the future is full of possibilities.